I can tell from his perspective, there's a prominent character with him who, it's a man, okay, and this is a man with flat cap, that possibly farming environment. That's absolutely clear. I just seem to have a way of sensing through my body. It will be a series of images. Yeah, he's just a very stoic horse, and he feels that he wants to do more. You take on their thought, you take on the emotion. You can see what looks like a ghosting effect. So if you look at your TV and it's not quite tuned in, and you'll see like a halo. I was looking at these things and just going with it, really. Pardon the pun, but it's straight from the horse's mouth.
While Stephen finds out what horses think, his wife Julie teaches them how to behave. It's a partnership that works pretty well, despite one or two raised eyebrows.
Sometimes people think it's a bit cookie and, it's, oh, no, we don't want to do that. We'll just stick with how we do things with our horses, thank you. And other people are very receptive. When you get over the horse whisper a bit and you explain that actually it's just being able to talk to them in a sort of telepathic way, because people can understand the telepathy more, I think, and that you're actually getting messages to and from, you are communicating, I think then it becomes more accepted.